Hey everyone, this is Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading. The date is March 29th, 2020. This is your weekly analysis for the pound yen. So the Great British Pound versus the Japanese yen. If you want to stay up to date with all of our pound yen videos, make sure you click that red subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Okay, so looking at the weekly pound yen chart, we see this is a multi-year downtrend. Right? If we go back, these highs go all the way back to 2008, and then we see that price has really been in this bearish descending triangle for over the last decade. Let's go ahead and put this into place. So we think about price action honors these geometric shapes more and more so they are triangular in some form. And what we see is price will bounce around in this triangle, maybe pop below it, and we can even, if we want to, extend this a little bit down to say that is our triangle. And now as we see, price has broken below that. Even with last week was very bullish. We saw, our big reserve currency sell-off last week, but this weekly candle did not close above this $1.3551 line. So sentiment short-term bullish, meaning I think we could see price press up into this for R1. We'll bring it up here in a second, but in the long term we are bearish. Let's go ahead and find out where's S1, support 1, 129.62. It's our pivot point. And we go there, 129.62. So our next big, we have a next big sell-off, here's the first place that price would stop, potentially hanging out in this price wedge triangle here. Okay, so now we've got R1 on the other side. Let's flip the coin. 137.05 is right there. What about the bottom of our triangle we mapped out? You see that? Okay. And that makes sense if price were to come up there. So there you go. There's my short-term bullish. If there's any kind of short-term bull rally, it's going to end right there at R1. Where's our pivot? Our pivot's at 132.20. So we can drag this down here. That's our pivot. That's our R1. That's our S1. Let's look at where R2 would be. 139.63. So we can draw this one here. 139.63. We can see that other price shelf, right? Another triangle, another layer of that triangle. So R2. So even if price did plunge up into R1, we would see even more resistance in selling at this R2 139.63 level. So another good place to place a sell, right? Let's go ahead and look at the daily. Now this is very, very bullish. Potentially in the price V, people talk about the V formation, which is really kind of a whipsaw move. In order for that to come true, though, we need to see his price essentially close above R1. We saw this exact same scenario this week with the pound dollar, where to make a true turnaround, price needs to close above this week above R1. If it falls short, it's going to be our next best place to sell, right? So we see our parallel trend channel coming down, price is testing it. Now trend lines are subjective. That's why horizontal support and resistance is your better long-term tool, because then you could easily say, well, I'm going to adjust my corners here. You could say, well, price actually could come all the way here, which would line up, right? And R1 would still be significant. Let's look at our Fibonacci and to see what numbers price is currently at for a Fibo retrace. Fibonacci might tell us that the retrace is already done. We'll take a recent high. We'll try a recent low. We see price last week closed at the 50 Fibo line, right below it. And interesting enough, look at this. RR1 matches up pretty damn good with the 61.8, so the Fibonacci's golden ratio, making it another green light for a sell if price were to hang there and close. Right, so you've got the sell signal at R1, and you have another sell signal at the Fibonacci line of 61.8. Now remember, price doesn't always just touch it once and then move away. A lot of times price will go all the way up, so that's why you don't want to sell yet, because this uptrend is still a pretty good velocity. But when price reaches there, you want to see on like the hourly, if price stalls out, right, boom, 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 stalls out, can't quite make it, and you're going to look for your sell up along this shelf here at 137. Okay, everyone, stay safe out there. I hope you have a very profitable week. We will talk soon.